How to fix wireless capability is turned off. Let's get started. At the bottom left corner, you can find the search box. Over there, type in ncpa.cpl and search for it. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, click on the option of open. A new window will open up. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of Wi-Fi. Right click on it. And then at the top, you will see the option of enable. Click on it. With that, your problem might be fixed. If you still encounter the issue, right click on it and then click on the option of properties. Now go ahead and click on this option of configure. Now head towards this option of power management. Now check in for this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and then click on OK. With that, your problem will be fixed. If you still encounter the issue, you can apply next solution. For that, right click on this option again. Click on the option of properties. Now click on this option of Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on properties. Now make sure you have selected this option, obtain an IP address automatically. Then click on OK. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix wireless capability is turned off. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.